purpose of this video to encourage you for gardening. There can be failures, but do not give up because anyone can plant. Weekly topic: okra or lady's fingers planting. How can we plant okra in your rooftop? First, you have to grow some small okra plants. You can either use a bag or seed tray to grow the initial plants. Soil mixture for the initial plants is 1 topsoil, 1 sand, and 1 compost. Keep the bag or seed tray under partial sunlight and daily add gentle water, otherwise, the seeds can pop out. If you use a seed tray, put a string into the seed tray cup before adding soil, so you can easily remove the plant. Adding adequate water and organic pesticides are important from the seedling level. Within 2 to 3 days' time, you can see the seedling. Around 1 week's time, now the seedlings are ready to put it in your containers. Put some stones at the bottom of the container for better water flow. The container can be filled with 2 topsoils, 1 sand, and 1 compost. Additionally, you can put some coir dust. To avoid the root damages, you can use a tablespoon to remove the seedlings. If you use a seed tray, just pull the string and easily you can get a plant without damaging the roots. You can use a pot with a 30 centimeters diameter and you can plant 2 plants there. The good distance between the 2 plants is 4 inches. Keep a 2 to 3 inches gap when filling the container, so you can fill that later by using compost or manure. Keep the container in a place that has partial sunlight around 3 to 5 days for the roots to be steady. Or you can use this type of shade made of cardboard to avoid direct sunlight. Now keep the plant in the place which has proper sunlight. You can now add 1 inch of compost to fill the pot and continue it weekly. After 6 weeks, flowering starts. Once in 10 days, as in the video, loosening the edge of the container and add a handful of manure like cow dung or compost. Important, once in 5 days, spray the organic pesticide like neem oil from the seedling level. Spray both sides of the leaf in the evening, so pesticides will be on the leaf for a longer time without evaporating. Now it's ready to do the first harvesting. When cutting the okra, remove the underneath leaf since it's not useful further. Happy gardening! Do not forget to subscribe my channel for weekly gardening videos.